The low washer fluid light is a crucial safety feature found in modern vehicles. This warning system alerts drivers when windshield washer fluid levels drop to a critical point. The warning light typically appears as an amber or yellow icon resembling a windshield with water droplets. Let's look at what these dashboard symbols actually look like. This warning system activates when fluid levels drop to approximately 10 to 20% of the reservoir's total capacity. This threshold ensures you have advance notice before running completely empty. Modern vehicles have evolved beyond simple warning lights. Today's smart dashboard systems provide specific fluid level percentages, mobile app notifications, and even predictive maintenance alerts based on your driving patterns and weather conditions. Ignoring this warning light can lead to serious safety hazards. Without washer fluid, you cannot clear dirt, debris, or weather-related buildup from your windshield, significantly reducing visibility and increasing accident risk, especially in adverse conditions. Understanding your vehicle's low washer fluid warning system is essential for safe driving. This simple but critical safety feature helps ensure you always maintain clear visibility on the road. Several factors can trigger your low washer fluid warning light. Understanding these causes helps you diagnose the issue quickly and effectively. To troubleshoot the warning light, start with a visual inspection of your washer fluid reservoir. Check the fluid level and look for any obvious leaks or damage around the system. Modern vehicles can log washer fluid system error codes. Use an OBD2 scanner to check for any diagnostic trouble codes that might indicate sensor or electrical problems. Once you've identified and addressed the cause, you can reset the warning light. The most common method is to refill the washer fluid and drive for 5 to 10 miles, which usually resets the system automatically. Alternatively, you can try the ignition cycle method. After refilling the fluid, turn your ignition off and on 3 times. This manual reset often works for older vehicle systems. If the warning light persists after refilling and attempting resets, professional diagnosis may be required. This could involve sensor replacement, which typically costs between $50 and $150. Regular maintenance prevents most washer fluid issues. Check your fluid level monthly, use quality washer fluid appropriate for your climate, and address any leaks promptly to keep your system functioning properly.